how to do such clean manicure. Hi everyone, my name is Victoria, I'm from Ukraine and welcome to my channel. Here you'll find everything about nails and a little bit about me. First of all, I need to remove old nail coatings. I use carbide drill bit. For hard materials, I use a medium grit bit with green notch. I remove the old material using infrared at a speed of 20-35,000 revolutions. It takes me 5-10 minutes. After that, I quickly remove lengths with the same nail drill bit. The next step is the nail filing. For natural nails, I use 180 grit files. I need to ensure adhesion of the material to the natural nail. To do this, I remove the gloves from the nail plate by moving toward the cuticle. Before starting work with the nail drill bit, I have the task of opening the pocket with a pusher. The position of the pusher relative to the nail blade is at an angle of 45 degrees. I move gradually from the left sinus to the right. Using light pushing movements, I push the cuticle toward the proximal fold. To keep the drill bit from slipping, I use a special powder that absorbs moisture. It really helps reduce the risk of any damage. To process the cuticle and lateral sinuses, I use a flame-shaped nail drill bit with a diameter of 2.3 mm with a red notch for normal skin. On the right side, I work in reverse, and on the left side, I switch to forward. Speed 10,000 revolutions. I make stitching movements from the bottom to the center of the cuticle. Each new movement captures the previous one. I don't cut through the growth point. I set the nail drill bit with the cheek at an angle of 45 degrees relative to the nail surface. I slightly insert the nail drill's nose under the cuticle. The sinuses are the most traumatic areas when working with a nail drill bit. At the cuticle treatment stage, I polish the lateral folds. I use short sweeping circular motions from the nail plate towards to the edge of the fold. After prepping the cuticle with a drill bit, I can move on the trimming. The goal is to create a clean, continuous cut. It's about forming one smooth line along the proximal fold, even if it takes a few steps. Raise the right side fold and place the lower blade of the nippers just under the cuticle line. Tilt it at a 90 degrees angle to the skin. Use only 2-3 mm of the blade for the cut. Always keep your hands supported. Don't work with it hanging in the air. Make gentle, continuous forward-moving cuts, pushing slightly backward along the line. And of course, only work with sharpened, high-quality tools. To sum it up, by following a clear step-by-step technique and using the right method, we get a smooth cut and a clean, professional-looking manicure. You'll find all the details in the description below. I hope this video was helpful. I'm looking forward to reading your comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss my next videos.